Hello to you and welcome to this video tutorial section, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through the Orange Page Builder software. Okay, this is going to be like a full review video of the software, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Orange Page Builder. I'm going to log out real quick and log in again, and we'll walk through this step by step. Okay, alright, so this is the login page for the Orange Page Builder software, and when you put in your email address and your password, you click on the continue button right here to get into your account. Okay, so yeah, so this is the Orange Page Builder software dashboard. Okay, I just logged into my account, and when you log into your fresh account, you shouldn't have all these details here. This is a detail of the templates that are already created, the sites are already created. Okay, so when you log into a new Virgin account, you shouldn't have this here. It should be a clean slate. Okay, all this wouldn't be here. All right, so basically when you start up creating your sites and all that, when you start using the software from time to time, all your created sites, the sites you create, all of them will be right here for you to access them easily. You can click on the three dots right here on the side to either edit this template, to preview it, to publish it, or to delete it. Okay, so you get to see this when you start using the Orange Page Builder often and on. Okay, so basically you can see from the dashboard right here, we have just a few details. Right here on the right hand side, we have the icon, and when you click on the drop down icon there, you see that we have the dashboard, which is this place that we are on right now. We have the account settings and the logout button. Okay, we have the alert bell right there that shows you whenever you have a message that you need to look into immediately. Okay, you can also search for your existing works. All right, so whenever you create a site, you can give it a name, and when you come back to your dashboard and you want to find the site easily, you can enter the name you give to the site to find it wherever it is at. Okay, you can enter the name to find it wherever it is, and it will pop up easily. Okay, you can choose to select a status to search by. You can choose to search the published templates. You can choose to search for the unpublished templates. Okay, you can set the sorting to show up as the newest. That means the newest will be at the top, or the oldest to be at the top. You can set it to be arranged alphabetically from A to Z or from Z to A. Okay, the sorting affects the arrangement of the templates that we see here on our dashboard. Okay, so you can choose it, but right now it is set at newest. Okay, so this is the newest template that I created. All right, so right here we can see we have the project option and the domain option. All right, so the project option are the options that we have already, the project that we already created, like I said before. Okay, the sites we already created, those are the projects, while the domains are the domains you attached or you linked to your Orange Page Builder. All right, so this is an option that is that's also existent here. You can link your domain name to, when you click on the connect domain, you have this pop-up here. You can now enter your domain name, and when you enter your domain name, I'm just going to enter one, for instance. I'll just choose any domain name. For instance, let me use shrew.com. All right, so when you enter that, you click on, when you enter your domain name, you click on next. That is your host name. All right, and you are given this instruction that instructs you to copy this particular code and insert it into your domain DNS provider or registrar. Okay, so that it can propagate with this particular page builder. All right, so when you copy this, you go to your hosting platform, and then you can now change it under the DNS settings. Okay, I would have loved to show you that, but you can find the details on YouTube. You just search how to change DNS settings on for my website. All right, you can search for that, and then you'll be given a rundown of instructions on how to do this. This is very, very easy to do this. Okay, so when you put in the DNS, the record that's given to you as an A record into your DNS of the particular domain name you entered, you can now click on next to confirm if it has propagated, or to just see if the DNS has started working. Because you can see the pop-up says that it is not working yet because I did not really insert the link. Okay, so when you do this, it shows up right here, and then your domain name is connected to your Orange page builder. All right, so let's go back to the projects section. All right, so right here, if you want to start up an existing project, all right, so like I said, when you get into your account newly, everything is brand new. There's no much detail. There's all these particular projects are not here. You need to start afresh to create a new project. Okay, so in order to create a new project, you need to click on the button right here that says new project. Okay, you can see right here it says new project. You click on new project and it takes you to this particular page where you can now choose a template for your project. All right, so all these templates here are 100% customizable. All right, so all you need to do is to, from the preview that you can see, you can choose to check out anyone. You can choose to preview the way it looks. All right, so from the preview that you can see, like I said, you can estimate or you can assume how the sites will look. All right, so you can always preview it and then come back and choose a better one. It's all up to you. But first off, let's say I want to work with this particular one right here, the one that says developer course, dev course. Okay, you click on it and you have to enter a project's name. Okay, you have to give your project a new name. Let's say I call this developers forum. All right, so this is the project name I want to give to it, developers forum. All right, so then you click on the create button right here. Yeah, so let's give it some time to load up. Yeah, so the project has been created. You have to edit it now or take it live. Okay, remember, like I said earlier, all the templates are 100% customizable. Okay, you can change every single thing on the templates to suit your business. Every text, every image, every section, every theme, everything is changeable to suit your business. Okay, so let's give it some time to load up while we, so that I will show you exactly how you can make changes to this site. All right, so okay, so as you can see, this is the template I chose. This is like a preview, and I can change everything here to whatever I want it to be. Okay, so this is the preview. So right, I think it's really cool. It's really cool, and I think I like it. Okay, so let's say you want to change this particular text right here. All you need to do is to click on it. All right, you click on the text. Yeah, as you can see, you can now delete and you can add some text if you want to. That's very easy. When you're done, you click outside the box and that is it. It's done. You can change everything. You can change anything. You can change the text on the button. You can delete it. You can change the color. All right, so it's like a one-page website. Okay, so when you click on the button, it can relocate you to where the button if features are on. All right, so you can see we have a video right here. We have a video right here. You can choose to change this as well. You can choose to change this as well. Okay, so it's all very much customizable, and if you want to add some attributes as well, you want to add some elements as well, you can also find the elements option right here. You can see where it says elements, but before that, you can see that we have the layout option. Okay, the layout option is like the arrangement of the page. Okay, the arrangement of the page, the way the boxes are arranged, you can also change that if you want to. You can see we have the container one, which is the one at the right top. When you click on the container one, you see a rundown of some effects of the arrangement of the container one. Okay, you can choose to change this to a full page. You can choose to divide, have it in two different sections, or whatever you want it to be. You can just choose it from here. That's for the container one. For the container two, you can see we have the same different arrangements that you can choose from. container 3, okay, which is this one down here. Whenever you click on each of the containers, you see that it highlights. Okay, container 4. All right, so you can see container 4 right here. It just scrolls down to the particular container that you just clicked. You have the container 5, container 6, and all right, so this is container 6, and this, and so on and so forth. The rest of them, you can change them and make some changes whatsoever you want to do. All right, so everything is 100% customizable. Okay, so you also have the elements section. Okay, let's say for instance you want to add an element, you want to add a text to your site, you want to add an extra image, you want to add a button, whatsoever you want to do. You want to add like a layout, an extra layout. You can choose to drag and drop. All you need to do is to drag and drop, drag it and drop it to whatever you want it to be, and it's done. Okay, we don't have any intention of stressing you here. This is totally easy, very, very easy to accomplish. Okay, let me try to drag and drop an image so we can. All right, so as you can see, that's the image I just dragged and dropped. You can also change the image if you want to. You can also change the image if you want to. Okay, so as you can see, it's so easy to use this. So I'm trying to change the image right now. I'm trying to change the image. I just clicked on this particular settings option right here. So let's see what's all right. So you can change the image. Let me select an image from my local desktop memory. All right, so as you can see, the image just changed right now. This is the image I just brought into this page. Okay, so if you want to change this image, all you need to do is to click on the settings icon on the image right here. You click on this particular option right here, and you can change the image you want to change. Okay, so you can also add a whole lot of elements. You can choose from here. You can add your forms. Okay, you can add your forms. You can choose to add your form. All right, so there's the form. I just added the form, email address. Okay, so this is the form and a lot of other options. Okay, so right under the elements option we have the inspector option. Okay, this inspector option helps you to make changes to each section. Okay, so when you choose a section, when you click on a section, you can inspect the section right here. When you click on this section, then you click on inspector, it shows you different effects of the section that you can make changes to. Okay, it inspects the website and helps you make certain tweaks and changes to it. All right, so that's what the inspector option does. We have the pages option. Okay, this one gives you access to each page, and as you can see, when you click on the pages option, you have this particular menu right here that shows you all the available pages. Okay, as you can see, like I said before, this is a one-page website. That is why you have only the index page. Okay, it's a one-page website. There are no about us page that is in a different page. Everything is right here on this one page. Okay, so that's why we have just a single page here. And you can also create a new page if you want to by clicking on the new page option right here at the top. Okay, you can also change the page title of this course just to help increase your SEO. Okay, you can change the page description and add a few keywords, and then you click on the update option, and that is the few changes you can do under the pages option. Okay, but I want to show you something on the settings option. This is the settings option right here. On the settings option, you can choose to toggle on the auto save option. Okay, this will help make your work to be saved automatically. All right, so you might forget to click on the save button right here when you're done with your work, or you might just stop at some point while working on your website for some reason. Okay, and when you leave your website without saving it or by clicking on this button, you might tend to lose some files or some changes you've made. Okay, but when you have the auto save option on, it saves all the changes you make automatically. Okay, so I advise that whenever you get into your website you want to work with, you want to make some changes to it, first thing you should do is to come to the settings option and toggle on the auto save bar right here. Okay, it helps save you time and reduce the stress that you might go through when you lose your work. Okay, you can also preview the page in different devices. Okay, you can view the mobile option, the mobile view of the particular page you're setting up by clicking on the mobile option right here, or you can also view the tablets, the way to look on tablet, the way your site will look on tablet. You can also check out the way to look on a laptop and on a desktop. Okay, it is all available here. It is, as you can see, the site is 100% responsive. Everything makes itself look good when it's on any device. Okay, so it's 100% responsive and very, very optimizable. Okay, you can also upload this you can also publish this particular site to a third-party server. Okay, when you click on the publish icon right here, you have this option that gives you the host, that requests for the host and username, password, and the rest of them. Okay, so when you enter these details, click on publish, your site is connected to the third party website or host. Okay, or if you do not have a hosting plan or any other place you can host the particular site you created here, you can also host it on our own server. Okay, you do not need a domain name or a hosting. We provide you with all that in Orange Page Builder. All you need to do is to click on the save project icon right here, and your project is saved, and you can start using this site as soon as you want to. Okay, it's that easy. All right, you can also download the templates if you want to. Okay, you can download this particular page template just so you can use it for next time. Okay, by clicking on the download button right here. All right, when you click on this button right here, the page downloads into your device immediately. Okay, you can also preview the page by clicking on the eye icon right here. All right, so this is very, very easy, and when you're done making these changes, do not forget to publish your site. Okay, after publishing your site, you can click on this particular icon right here to go back to the dashboard. All right, so this is basically how you can make changes or create your first project on Orange Page Builder. Okay, so as you can see, this is the project I just created, and you can see right here as the first one. Okay, this is the newest project I just created. Okay, so you can also choose to delete it, like I said, by clicking on this little icon right here. Delete it, publish it, preview it, or edit it. Okay, let's try to preview it. All right, let's preview it on a new tab. When you click on preview, it opens up on a new tab and shows you exactly how the site looks in real time. Okay, so this is it. This is the website you just created. You can see the image I added earlier. It is right here. It's right here. Okay, so you can just go through your sites. Everything is just the way you want it to be. Okay, if you do not like what you see, you can also go back and click on the edit option to make some changes to the site. Okay, when you click on the three button icons there, you can click on edit to change it. Okay, you can click on publish, or you can delete it entirely if you want to by clicking on the delete option. All right, so when you click on delete, it says, are you sure you want to delete this project? Yes, delete it, and the project gets deleted immediately. Okay, so that is it, and I hope this was clear enough. If you have any questions, do not forget to contact support. We are always available to help you. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Have a great day.